Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Onshape, a powerful cloud-based CAD tool. Whether you are a beginner or looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will get you started with sketching, extrusions, and revolutions. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Create tab and at the top left of your screen, click on it and select Document from the drop-down. Give your document a name and hit Create Public Document. Now we have our workspace ready to go. On the left, you will see the origin, the center point for all sketches. We have three planes, top plane, front plane, and right plane. This planes helps us position and build our 3D models. Select the front plane by clicking on it. Now go to the top toolbar and click on sketch. To get a straight on view, go to the view cube on the right and click front. Now we are in sketch model. Click on line tool from the sketch menu. Click on the screen, drag to create a line and click again to set it. Continue drawing lines to form a closed shape like a rectangle or triangle. Press escape to exit the line tool. Click the green check mark to exit the sketch. Click on extrude from the toolbar. Select your close shape and you will see it expand into 3D. Drag the arrow to adjust thickness or type a specific value, example 5 inches. Click OK to finalize the extrusion. Now you have 3D solid model. Click on the top face of the solid shape, click sketch and then select center point circle. Click to place the center, drag to create a circle and click again to finish. Click OK, then go to extrude again, select the circles and this time click remove instead of add. Drag the arrow through the model to cut a hole and click OK. Now you have created a hole in your model. Right click on sketch 1 in the feature tree and select edit sketch. Click on the dimension tool and select a line to change its size. Adjust dimensions, delete unwanted constraints and refine the shape. Click OK and Onshape will update the 3D model automatically. Click fillet from the toolbar, select an edge to round it, adjust the fillet size and click OK. This makes your model smoother and more professional. Click on the right plane and start a new sketch. Draw a vertical line and arc using the 3-point arc tool. Close the shape with another line, click OK to exit the sketch. Click Resolve, select the shape and close this center line as the axis. Click OK and now your shape is rated into a solid 3D object. And that's it, you have learned the basics of Onshape including sketching, extrusions, cuts and revolutions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more 3D modeling content. Let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. See you in the next tutorial.